This video will give you a full tutorial on how to do the stone chip repairs using the Proteam Paint Repair Systems. I got this blue Renault hood from the junkyard. It's a worst case scenario. It's completely filled with bigger and smaller stone chips, but it might just be the best example to show you how our systems work. Now we filled the bigger chips using our micro brush, and now we're going to go on to the next stage of the stone chip repair. Now this is not something you're going to be doing every time. It depends on if the micro chips are there. So if it's only the bigger chips, you can go on to finishing the repair as it is. But if you have a lot of small micro chips, like it's sandblasted, the next step will be applying the paint with a felt disc. Now these are the felt discs we're using. It's not a standard soft felt disc like you're used to maybe for polishing, like 3M ones. It's a harder one, shorter felt on it, so it doesn't absorb that much paint, because then you're going to be throwing away too much paint. So what we're doing with this one is cutting it into this shape. This is more comfortable and you have more control on the felt disc like this. And we're going to be applying it to the paint directly to do two things: fill the microchips as said, but as well we're going to be removing the excess paint from the bigger stone chips we've just repaired. Now after you've polished off all the excess paint from the stone chip repair, you finish off with a wax, a sealant, detail spray, and yes, you can even put a ceramic coat or glass coat or whatever coating on the repair of the stone chips with the Proteam Paint Repair System. Now this is a guideline to walk you through the stone chip repairs. Of course, If you're more comfortable and you're sure that you can do a lot of wet sanding, for example, please feel free to experiment and everything. The paint we sell will not come out of the repair. Is perfectly sandable, is workable, is polishable. So when you're done, you can cover it with any paint protection you would like, especially if you're doing PPF film installments, you know, the stone chip protection films. Before you do that, this is the way to repair the stone chips, so you can have a 100% presentation to your customer. Thanks for watching this video about the stone chip repair using the Proteam Paint Repair Systems. Now, if you have any more questions, have a look at our other videos or go to our website, which is proteamsmartrepair.com. You'll find all the systems we're selling at the moment on that website and some more information as well as a contact form. If you have any questions directed to me, please fill in that contact form and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon again.